we are almost on the verge of finding the diversion that we are looking for without causing much disturbance to the people, and also without having to put very much infrastructure in place. Of course, we will need the cooperation of the Railway Authority, for which I'm sure the Honourable PWD Minister, with the help of our Chief Minister, will be able to acquire the necessary permissions, and will be able to do this diversion. Most important of all, it will decrease the extra distance both ways. So I think one way it will be just 2 kilometers, and the opposite way it will be another 4 kilometers. So that won't make much of a difference compared to what it would have been otherwise. So I hope, as the Honourable PWD Minister has said, after discussion with all the persons involved in the issue and the Chief Minister, the final decision will be taken.
Any private land here? No.
No, it is a railway land.
It's railway land.
It is all railway land.
No
it is
private
parallel
land.
to railway track. Only some part of the private land is her, but there won't be any problem. There won't be any problem. Pillars which are already casted can be completed with this route, and I will see that with the help of the Konkan Railway, and if required, our Honourable Chief Minister will help us to get this all NOCs. My Principal Chief Engineer Parsekar already called them, and also we will be after it. Being Transport Department is also a director in Konkan Railway Corporation. He amka difficult na. Only thing, time is the consuming. That means we want to make a new road, almost say about 4.5 kilometers, which will be helpful in future to railways and also to the local people who come out directly to main Chikli road. आणि हे काम करपा खातीर आमी तयारी चालू करता. सगळ्याच्या लोकांचे आमकां आशिर्वाद आशिल्ल्यान हो रूट आमकां मेळ्ळा, आनी तातूंतल्यान फक्त पणजेच्यान वता आसतना 4 किलोमीटर एक्स्ट्रा जातले, आनी हांगच्यान वता आसतना फक्त 2.5 किलोमीटर एक्स्ट्रा जातले. इतल्या हाचेर आमी आयल्या, आनी वी वील नेक्स्ट 4 days आमचे सगळे इन्स्पेक्शन ड्रॉविंग्स रेडी करतले, आनी आमी काम चालू करतले.
Any road widening शिरी पडटलें ते सायडीन फ्रॉम पॅन्जिम टू मारगांव?
आतां आनी आमकां कांय करपाची गरज ना. आमकां फक्त जे 15% स्टार्टींग फ्रॉम वेर्णा सायड जे 15% पिलर्स आसा थंय काम कशें करपाचो एकूच विशय उरला. आफ्टर 15 म्हणजे 8, 9, 10 पिलर जातकी 14 पिलर जातकी आमकां कांय प्रॉब्लेम ना हो रस्तो जाल्या नंतर.
सो आतां
आनी मेजर काम आमचें सुट्टा. फक्त 15% काम आमचें आतां उरतलें, आनी पीपल वील नॉट फेस हार्डशीप. ओनली वन सायड इट वील बी 4.5 किलोमीटर एक्स्ट्रा, and other side is just 2 kilometers.
One side खंयसून
from Panjim it goes to Thana, takes a left turn to Ponda Road, Lutlim, and then take a right and goes to Kesarwa. This way we are decided. Yeah, we are decided.
And this one?
Madgaon to Panji?
2 kilometers.
2 kilometers. कसं एकदा सांगा.
From Verna, coming down, a road which goes to Thana, we have to take a right turn which enters to Sakwara Road, then take a right turn all parallel to railway track. We are coming out at Chikli Road.